Hey everyone, Mr. Griffith here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to play some notes on the C string for the cello. We're going to start off with the cello open C string. Now this is the lowest note that the cello can play, and it looks like this. So you see here that the C is 2 ledger lines below the staff in your music. Again, this is the lowest note that you can play on the cello, so this is a good one to just remember. That's the lowest note, and then from there, all you have to do is use the alphabet to figure out what notes come after it. So we have C, and this is the open C string. Next, we have D. And so D looks just like this on the staff. And so notice it's 1 note higher than C. And we're going to play the D with our first finger on the C string. And so that sounds like this. So what I make sure of when I play with my fingers down is that I've got my first finger on the tape, and then my thumb is going to be kind of behind where my second finger would be if I had my second finger down. And then everything is nice and rounded. So as we move on to the E, we see that the E is only 1 ledger line below the staff. And we're going to play the E with a 3rd finger on the C string. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to keep my first finger down, and then I'm going to make sure that I have a good space in between each of my fingers and place my 3rd finger on the second tape. Okay, so that sounds like this. Okay, and then the last note that I'm going to show you is F on the C string. So F is just below the bottom line of the bass clef staff, and we're going to play the F with a 4th finger on the C string. And so just like with the other fingers, I'm going to make sure that everything is nice and rounded. Everything is nice and rounded. I'm going to keep my 4th finger right on the tape. Make sure my elbow is up, wrist is straight, and then my thumb is still behind that 2nd finger. So here's what the F sounds like. Okay, so let me go through each of those notes once again. This is C, D, 1st finger, E, 3rd finger, and then F, 4th finger. And that's it. Happy practicing.